First thing you want to do, start in the back of the 4Runner, you want to pry these plastic caps off here. I taped a piece of microfiber up here, so when you pry down, the base of the screwdriver doesn't chip the paint. It will chip the paint. Pry back like this, and come about right here. Pry back again. You're gonna get this like that. Come around the back side, back here, and pop it off. You're not gonna break them. Once you get that off, here's the OEM crossbars right here. They're labeled left forward, left rear. So start with left forward, loosen these up just a little bit on both sides. You're looking at the back of the car, truck, whatever, SUV. You want to just slide these in. So start at this area here, make sure this is loosened up and inset like that. And that's how they're gonna go in. So these will just now slide forward and you can put them into position. So it'll look something like that, where you can reposition. Now all you gotta do is tighten a bunch of this stuff down. So I'll tell you what size you need. Over here at the front of the truck, you can position these where you want to with the adjuster, and then you wanna go ahead and tighten these down. I'm running with my little kit that I picked up. I'll throw an affiliate link down below on Amazon. This is like the best kept household kit you can have, best kept secret. T27 bit on these. You just wanna go ahead and snug them up. That's it. You don't need to go crazy with them. That's it. And then you're going to tighten these down, and you're going to do this on all four corners. Once you got these things where you want them, mine's going to be about right here. I'm not 100% sure yet. You're going to pop these back on. So start at the back here, and then they just pop on just like that. All right, so if this video helped you out and you appreciate the no BS backstory content, which I'm trying to do on my how-to videos, please like and please subscribe. I'm trying to get to 100,000, and I'll try to do more practical how-to videos later. Thanks.